to day 1 of the cruise.
Right now, polish 10 toes down. Yeah, shawty, don't look down. Peeking through the see-through.
So basically today we are going on to the port. I am super pumped. I'm super excited. I already got ready and everything. We're about to leave our hotel. This is the fit for today. It's just a white top with some cute little shorts that I bought and then my cute little sandals. Hold on, let me show y'all. This is what the sandals look like, but I have to hurry up, you guys. But basically today is port day, so I'm super excited. I'm really excited to meet new people, make new friends, and bring y'all along on this little journey with me. Me and my brother are probably gonna stick together, and then my parents are probably gonna do their thing. But that's what's going on today, you guys. So I'm really pumped. And make sure to subscribe, like, comment, and share this video to all your friends. Now let's get ready. Let's get into it. We're going on it right now, you guys. We're going on it right now. Look at all the cruise ships and stuff. Welcome to my 7-day room. Come along, come inside, you guys. Come here. We have the MSC cruising. This is our door for the next 7 or I think 8 days or something. This is where we're gonna be hanging and stuff. Actually, I don't want to break nothing. Alright, this door right here is to the bathroom, you guys. So let's open it up. Let's give a show of the bathroom. How do I turn on the lights to the bathroom, guys? Well, anyways, we're just gonna show the bathroom right now. This is what the bathroom looks like. It has a little, there we go. This is what the bathroom looks like. We got a little toilet, we got a little shower, we got our little stuff right here. Look how cute it is. Alright, let's continue, guys. So basically, if you come over here, is the grand big bed with a bunch of towels, and then we have a bunch of things like information about like all the stuff that we can do, pool towels and all that stuff, all that good jazz stuff. And then we have the lights. We have a little stand here, and we got some other stuff. We already had one of our backpacks here, and then more drawers. I think right here is actually a whole closet. This is the whole closet right here. This is really nice, you guys. Usually we get balcony, but this time we decided not to get balcony. This is the big mirror that everybody likes to take a little photo on. And then this is our bunk beds. I already know what bunk I am. So we already know what bunk I am. And then this is his bunk. And then we got the actual window. So this is what it looks like, you guys.
And it's dirty.
Jaden, you weren't supposed to show that. Hey guys, so basically we are like eating lunch right now currently. This is the view. So basically, y'all probably cannot hear me, but I'm trying my best to like speak up and hear y'all. But basically, I have fries, burger, bread. I don't know what this is, but I think it's like some type of meat, and then I have like another piece of meat, but that's what we put in.
Okay, I'll get a pizza.
First meal on the cruise, you guys. First meal on the cruise. Everything we use for this food, blessed and anywhere prepared, and amen. Let me try the fries first. Cheers. It's fries. Ketchup would have made this so much better, not gonna lie. Their fries, they just made fries. Alright, we have this bread with sesame seeds on it. Let's try it. Now we're gonna try this. I don't know. I just wanted to get something random. I have no idea what this is, but we're gonna try it. Extremely salty. Now I'm gonna try these like stuff. I have no idea idea what it is. I'm not a big fan of that. It's good, but it's like, it's basic, you know? Man, bro, it's so freaking hot, dude. Where you at, bro? Oh, be on this cruise. We gotta be with you. Look at the slides over here. Look at this view. It's so hot though, but look how pretty it is. We're seeing all of Miami right here, you guys. Don't play. And don't play.
Such a troll.
You gonna tell me that they were gonna have this on there? Alright. This is what they saying. Y'all see it? Oh. Alright, you guys, so basically right now I'm at the team club. I'm just chilling, pretty much. My brother is talking to random people. And I'm just chilling in a little corner by myself. Watching somebody else play the game. So, I don't know where everybody else at. I don't know where the gang at. I don't know where the group chat is. So, create a group chat and now I'm looking for y'all. Like, where y'all at?
Where y'all at?
Basically, I made a couple of people, so. Hey, y'all! All guys, yourself? Yeah. Hey, y'all, I'm Amaya. Okay, Amaya. Hi, my name is Anaya. Okay. I'm Maya. Basically, we in the room right now, y'all. The TV's on, so if y'all hearing that background noise, that's why. But basically, I changed my outfit. I changed into a tube top because when I tell you this boat, it's like hot, like not just hot.
What do you think?
It's hot.
Whew! It is hot as a witch's coochie.
Anyways, I met a couple of people and I was hanging out with these couple of girls. They cool, as you see in my video, chill. And then I met somebody else and we was just walking and talking. We were looking for my brother because my phone died on. Yeah, a lot happened. But we got a couple of our luggages. We got like 2 of them, and then we got one of our bags, and then we got another luggage just a second ago. Somebody just brought it to us. We're missing only one bag, which is my mom's bag, and then we'll be good. So right now, I'm missing the sail away party because, bro, it's just hot. It's hot. It's so hot. Like literally every single time I enter into here, like I feel like I'm legit burning. Like my skin is falling off my bones.
Yeah, we're sweating.
But yeah, I changed my outfit like I told y'all, but right now we're heading to the buffet real quick to go grab something because we're hungry.
These don't work.
These don't work? Bruh. Hi, bruh. Taking off the ropes now because we actually officially one down, 2 to go, you guys.
Raised you like them. You know your mama ain't raised you like that. Look at your behavior. That's what she is ashamed of your damn. Look at what you
to dinner right now, you guys, and then I got like my Happy Father's Day gift. So basically I got him a card, don't tell you guys, but I got him a little card, and it's like, and it has money in it. Y'all, literally I would have given more cash, but I literally don't have any cash, you guys. But that's what's going on. This is my little bag. So alright, basically you guys, we were supposed to head to dinner, but dinner was late because the sail away was at 5 p.m. and our dinner is at 5 p.m. So there was no way we were gonna make it to dinner and make it out the sail away party, so we had to choose between the two. But anyways, I got me some lasagna, meatballs, and some grilled salmon. That's it, really. So I'm really excited, you guys. Alright, so basically y'all, we are in the restaurant right now.
You can look at the food menu.
And then we have like you can look at the food menu by scanning the thing. But anyways, I didn't stop to buy anything because we were literally just at the what is it called?
It's gonna bring you.
Wait, what's it called? We was just at the buffet. I ate a bunch of fries. I ate a couple pieces of my brother's pizza. I ate fish. The meatballs was mid. The lasagna was mid. Like, not even mid. They were terrible. I have to put it at that. They were terrible. No hate to the workers here. It's just you say that way.
What?
You say we have to put it to. I gotta be honest. It was just not it. It was just what I was looking for. You know? It wasn't what I was looking for. Okay, so let's see his things that he's opening.
For someone very special to me. Wow.
There was something to vlog, y'all. Hey guys, we're on vlogging? Yeah.
Yeah, but you go out.
It's pretty rare. I've literally been looking for this. Hey guys, it's Itsregina and welcome. Basically, it is day 2 on the cruise. This is the fit. It's a bathing suit type fit going on right now. So basically, we about to head to breakfast and then we're gonna head to our port because we're finally at Ocean Gate. So yeah, I'm really excited, you guys. All right, good morning, you guys. So basically, we're here and then this is all the food I brought. I got bread, sausage, bacon, potatoes, and beans. And then I'm like literally right in front of the island. The island is so beautiful. There's like birds flying like literally everywhere, guys.
Drop it in the water, let the daughter find an image with the rest. She'll be learning how to breathe. Spinning through identity, revealing every pretty little scheme. Save her mind.
Is it good?
Hold her hand.
What's your sip?
What's your step, baby? Guys, we're finally at Ocean Gate right now. It is so
There's somebody who loves me. Somebody who really loves me. That's all I need. We in Miami turning up.
Y'all, I am so sorry about like the wind and everything like that, but basically I was just trying to say how I am going into the beach and I'm really excited. So yeah.
He's smoking broccoli, but she's smelling like a rat. Loving our pennies, trying to get out in a crack. Friends are my friends, and they trying to get gas. Her name is Angel, but she's far from God. Say they don't pay well to fall in love. Must be the stars, but something's lining up. Thought my exit was bad, but you find love.
Guys, so basically we're eating right now. I just got back from the beach and like I think my GoPro is acting up, so I don't know what to do. I got me a little bit of some water, and then we have pizza, fries, bread, and ketchup. So I'm gonna start eating and I'm gonna see y'all after I eat.
Whatever it is, pray that it never hits you. Gotta be that way with me.
Hey guys, so basically basically, we're going to dinner, our first like actual fit with our heels and everything. But anyways, it's tropical night, so we're wearing our tropical dresses. My mom's wearing her tropical dress. She's wearing this beautiful white dress, and then I'm wearing this red dress. Oh wait, show her this is the front of her dress with the white stuff. This is my red dress. I'm just wearing heels, so yeah. But anyways, we're headed to dinner, and we have like 2 minutes ahead of us. It's like actually 1 minute, so we gotta hurry up. And all the guys are in the back. I don't know where they at. They just all the way over there. But yeah, we finna head to dinner. So I'm gonna see y'all when we head to dinner.
I know you got all dressed up for the club.